Hello, Kobe.
I found a Lego Minecraft.
Today is February 22, 2026. May gift si Kobe. Unboxing na.
Yeah?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Game.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside this.
I know.
Oh God, I can't open this. We need a
There you go.
Wow, what is this?
It's a surprise gift for you from Mommy. Oh, wow. What's that?
Wow.
It's a Minecraft Lego.
Hey bro, what is my favorite mob in Minecraft? Just tell me in the comments what is your favorite mob in Minecraft. Mine is the Witherstorm.
Mine is Villager.
Bruh. Me is a villager, bro.
And also Fox.
What is our favorite fox?
Orange Fox.
Wow, red fox. Come on, let's open it.
Alright. Kaya niya. Ito si daddy may toy na pang baby. Kobe, pakita mo rin sa video yung toy na pang baby.
Yeah.
Give mo sa kanya. Ayan oh, dali. You got another toy oh. It's only for 9 months old. Why did you bought
I'm
that?
so shy.
You're so shy. Makikita subscriber mo. Okay.
Yeah, I'm so shy.
Okay, show the Lego na lang.
Bye. I gotta build this.
Alright.
Bye, bro.
Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.